In the United States, Miami Tzu Chi volunteers have held a third disaster relief distribution for residents affected by Hurricane Irma in Naples, Florida. At the event, they helped a total of 265 households, giving out blankets and cash cards.
The residents affected by Hurricane Irma are waiting in line at the community center in Naples.
Good morning, everyone.
Tzu Chi volunteers have come to help the affected residents, bringing them relief goods.
Made out of 100% recycled plastic bottles. It takes about 70 bottles per blanket.
Since Naples is located by the sea, the hurricane devastation is severe. This time, the volunteers are helping mostly Hispanic workers. Therefore, the translation volunteer team plays the key role. At the event, there is also a magic show. A total of 265 households have been helped, each receiving blankets and cash cards. Collier County Commissioner has declared October 10th as Tzu Chi Day. At the event, she also brings the medal for Tzu Chi for their outstanding community service.
And special recognitions of the Tzu Chi Foundation for extraordinary efforts. Helping our community to recover after Hurricane Irma.
Tzu Chi volunteers from Orlando also join the efforts to help the affected residents. Coming from Miami, Orlando, and the local area, a total of 86 volunteers have given the affected residents the support to rebuild their lives.